exercise is a tough one. It's called tree climbers. We're gonna get right to progression 1. For this exercise, tree climbers, it's pretty intense on the wrists and the shoulders. So be sure to warm your wrists up and warm your shoulders up before trying this exercise. Stay safe, have fun. You're gonna go onto a plank, hands on the ground, feet on the line. But the hands are gonna be in a different kind of position. Look to see. Feet on the line. When I say feet on the line, I mean toes pressing into the line like so. This would be a normal plank position. I want you to turn your fingers out and stack one in front of the other. From here, you're going to work your way back as you lift your hips up, getting as close to you can as an L, lifting one foot, bringing it back down, and working your way back to starting position. Then you're gonna work your hands back again, close to L as you can get, lift the other foot, come back down, and work your way back out. That's 1. The goal for progression 1 is to do that 3 to 5 times. Listen to your body, listen to your wrists, give them a break. All right, moving on to progression 2. We're gonna work on progression 2 on the line. The reason we practice with the hand positions like that is because to hold yourself up, that's how you have to be on the line, one in front of the other. You're gonna start with one foot down low to the line, pressing the foot into the tree, okay? Pressing it really hard into the tree. From there, you're gonna lift up and hold yourself. Working your hands back, lifting the hips up, getting as close as you can to that L, and then lifting this foot. If you need, occasionally taking the free foot, placing it on the tree to help balance. Coming down, back into your close to plank position. Working back up, as close as you can to that L, using the free leg, taking it all the way up, and then coming back down. Notice I have a slight bend in this knee in order to get my hips up. That's okay. Working your way back down. I did it twice. I want you to do it 3 to 5 times. Again, listening to the body. You're gonna do that 3 to 5 times on each side. So that time my right foot was pressed against the tree. Now I'm gonna have my left foot pressed against the tree. I'll do a couple demos. Get the hands, press the foot down. My foot's kind of going into the slack line as well. That's gonna help me from sliding the foot down. The whole time though, I'm pressing back into the foot, into the tree to keep from sliding. From here, sliding a little bit, working the hands back, lifting the leg helps, lifting the hips, lifting that foot all the way up. Again, you can use it for stability against the tree to help you keep from falling. Get as close to you as you can to that L and work your way back down. Do one more. Close as you can to that L and coming back down. I did it twice. Your goal is 3 to 5 times. Again, I'll say it, listen to the body. I'll also say this is when you want to have a mat down low underneath yourself in case you get fatigued and you're going to fall. You don't want to face plant to the ground, so have a nice mat to protect you. That's progression 1 and 2. Now we're going to move on to 3, the tree climber. Shake the arms out. Starting just as we did before, close to like a tree plank pose. This time, I'm going to take the foot up to the tree a little bit earlier. Pressing into the tree, working the hands back, pressing in the tree really good. Almost to that L position. When you get there, you're gonna take the foot that was down low, press it onto the tree as well. Continuing to work your way back as you wedge and move your feet up the tree. I'm squeezing the tree, working myself as close as I can to a handstand position and coming back down. I'm going to tighten my feet against the trees, slowly slide back down into my plank pose. I recommend only doing one of those, coming down and resting, and then do as many sets as you feel comfortable with. That's called tree climbers. Have fun with that one.